He's gotta be sexy.
York is already doing it.
Yo, Greco, get out.
Hold on, okay, man.
Corey, you're in my video.
Right there, a little four-wheel drive. Come on, you got a big ass car. You move. This person's like 20 miles an hour.
Oh, does he got it?
I don't know, it's a Lexus.
I'll push the bus.
It's like,
that camero.
it's like half a Honda right there.
Getting there.
This guy to the side is
You're talking on the phone when it's snowing out? You stupid. I hope you get in that accident. Yeah, the driver's right over there.
You can do it. Hey, you get this truck. Jeez, my.
Holy shit, we're moving.
Hey.
Balance out the bus. What the fuck? Everybody go back to where you were. Alright, everyone sit.